Hello guys, welcome to my channel today. I will show you how to make logo in Canva using your picture. Let's get started. First, import the image into Canva. Since I have already imported the image, I'll add this image onto the canvas. Then, I'll increase the image size. Then, go to the Edit Image option. If you have Canva Pro, click on BG Remove to remove the background of the image. Click on the Share option, followed by Download. Turn on the Transparent Background option, and then click Download again. Once the download is complete, next, go to the Elements tab and click on Frames. Select the circle frame and add it. Increase the size as needed. Then, click on Color, choose your desired color, and apply it. Next, add the downloaded image to Canvas and increase its size. Press the Ctrl+R buttons to add the image to the frame. Then, go to the Edit Image option, scroll down, and click on the Duotone option. Select Cherry and set the highlight color to full white and the shadow color to full white. This is today's video. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content.